Hi guys, mag-fried rice kami ni Sumi. Ito yung carrots at ito yung garlic, then chili, spring onions, at saka may leftover akong fried chicken. Ihahalo namin sa sinangag at of course ito yung rice namin. Yung lumang kanin. Tapos ito yung sauce ginawa ni Sumi. So guys, yun po. Mamaya na natin ipo-fry. Nagluto din kami nag-fry din kami ng balat ng manok. So, niluto namin kasi sayang. The fire, no. Oh. Hi guys, magpo-fried rice na kami. This is our lunch. Dami namin lunch. Okay. First, ang ginawa ni Sumi is garlic first para talagang iaano muna, medyo i-dry para yung essence ng garlic essence lalabas siya, yung aroma ba guys. And then the rice of course. Smells so good. Yung bawang guys na talagang naaamoy ko. Grabe. Wala lang, gusto lang namin, alam niyo yun, yung parang nag-craving kami kahapon ni Sumi ng balagala. Kaya sabi niya, sige, pag wala si ma'am, magluluto tayo. So, ayan guys. Minsan gusto ko talagang mag-fried rice, pero minsan, pag madami na yung rice, nakakapagod. It's look like very tired to mix the rice. Right, some. Because you need to mix well. See, like, parang ganyan. Kailangan mo talagang i-mix. O, diba? Ayan. Hindi ko inuon yung exhaust fan para maririnig nyo yung ano ng kawali. Diba, guys? Mahirap din ang akala nyo. Chef namin. Tada! That's our chef! And this is me. There you go. Yan, the important part. It's a very nice. So, sisimutin natin yung sauce. Yan. Thank you guys. Please support Genuine Mix Vlogs. Ay, one more pa the egg. Of course, niluto niya muna yung egg. Wow, yummers. Very hard. Wow, so may come to the rice na. So may na rice guys. Ang ano na namin yan. Until tomorrow. Night pa. Wow, ang sarap. Alam niyo, ang mga Indonesian, ang sarap nilang magluto. I'm very proud of them. So nagbibigyo lang si Genuine Mix Vlog guys. Pero si Sumi talaga yung nag-cook for our lunch. Yeah, did you see guys the color? Very wow, very perfect. Init. Hindi nyo maririnig yung boses ko guys. Oink, oink. Ganyan ang pagsasangag or stir-fried rice. What's the English of fried? Fried rice. So, fried rice, guys. See, guys. Fried rice. I'll taste it so very... Wala na kaming diet, guys. Ang sabihin naman ni Mom, we are very, no more the diet today.
Okay.
It's so good. Done?
Done. Sit up.
Guys, this is our chicken, chicken skin. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Kain. Thank you for watching, everyone. Yummers. Thank you, guys. Pala, guys. That one. Oh.